Hey guys, Ed here, and today we have this 2016 Honda Accord, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your battery in this car. So let's start. First thing you're gonna do, you're gonna open the hood, pull the latch, open the hood, secure it with the stand. Okay, so here's our battery, and in order to replace it, what we have to do, we have to get 10mm ratchet or 10mm wrench, and screwdriver possibly we're gonna need it, I'm not sure yet. So I'm gonna put this here. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove these two nuts, this one and this one. So let's start. Not really, you don't have to, okay, you don't really have to remove them, you just have to loosen them enough to get the hook out. 1, 2, we're just loosening them. Okay, and then, okay, nice. And then we are able to get them out. As you can see, there are hooks, and they are hooked by the bottom over there. Next thing right here, we're gonna do, we're gonna remove terminals. Okay, so let's start with positive. The ratchet, unscrew. Okay, unscrew it, just move the terminal out of the way. Second negative. Alright, and let's remove this like this. Okay, very simple. Now what we do next is we remove this cover here, just put it here for now, and we are able to get the battery out. So and this is how we get the battery out. Okay, so let's say we have new battery, our old battery out. Now we have to get the new one. Just take your old battery, go to the parts store, they're gonna give you a new battery, and they will give you some money for your old battery. So once you have new battery, same way, bring it in, put it back in. Alright, so we'll have the new battery back in. Again, same thing, exact reverse procedure. Put the cover, okay, put back terminals, 1, 2, and tighten up these nuts, so this one and this one. Take ratchet and tighten them up. Okay, once you finish with tightening these up, take our bracket, and right here, you can see, I hope you can see, you just hook it one side, you hook over there, and the other one side you hook right here. After that, you just tighten up these nuts. Alright, so once you secure everything down, tighten up, and you can just close these lids. You're all set. So this is very simple procedure, as you can see. If it helps, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.